Guys, I'm revisiting this place. I know most of you know this place by the name of the Hidden Pool of SAHIB LAHA. Actually, the correct name is SAHIB LAHA. And inside SAHIB LAHA, there are two hidden natural pools, and this is the first one. There is another one other than this. But in this video, what I'm going to show are the scenes and the sites that you probably don't see in all the social media uploads like on YouTube, Facebook, and other social media platforms. To get to the place where I'm positioned right now doing the shot, you see behind or beside the natural pool, there is a rock wall. You can climb that rock wall and you can reach this place where I'm standing right now and doing the shot. And that's one of the enjoyable activities that you can do here. Alright, you see in the shot, there is one standing on the edge of the cliff. That's my pañero, Bernie, and obviously he is enjoying the scenic sights. And again, this is not far from the city center of Riyadh. This is more or less 50 kilometers away, and you can come here driving any car. But if you are driving a sedan type, of course you need to hike for I think 1 kilometer away from the place where you can park the car. Now in this succeeding shots, I'm showing you how the place exactly looks like by this time. And I can see that the place is better and cleaner than the first time that I visited this place. Here I'm showing you that it's not that difficult climbing the rock wall beside the natural pool. Getting on top of the cliff on top of the rock wall. And once you get to the top, of course you will enjoy the scenic sights that you probably don't see in all the social media uploads like on YouTube, Facebook, and other social media platforms. And coming down again from the top of the rock wall, it's not that difficult also. Again guys, I'm showing you in this video is the first natural pool here at SAHIB LAHA Valley. And other than this one, there is another one which I'm going to bring you in a separate video. Again, come to the place. This is not far from the city center of Riyadh. This is more or less 50 kilometers away from the city center of Riyadh. And you can come here driving any car. And if you are driving a sedan type of car, of course, you need to hike for about 1 kilometer from the place where you can park the car. But if you are driving a four-wheel drive car, of course, you can drive the car and park it right beside this natural pool.